Hello friends, in this video, I'll talk about what is the point of working as freelancer. Let's start from beginning. Meaning of freelancer is a freedom warrior, and we will fight for money. Working as freelancer, you can command your time, work, and money so easily. Do you want to see the difference between a normal life of an office worker and a freelancer? I've made 12 formulas for you that based on my experience. Let's discuss it. 1. You don't have to wake up at 7 a.m. to go to the office that's filled traffic in city. As you know, many of us use Metro as transport, and we all know how filled Metro is. 2. Same as to wake up at 7 a.m., you don't have to come home at 6 p.m. with those crush. 3. If you have any meeting in a week, you have to ask your boss to be allowed. But if you have important work, then you aren't trying because you know that you should finish it. 4. Imagine that you work in a company and you make 6 to 7 2D or 3D animations. You earn $3,000 wages for that. But the fact is, those animations are 2 times expensive than your wages. So, as you see, working as a freelancer is cost minimum $1,200, and there's not $1,000 in the end of month. There is $6,000 to $7,000. Numbers aren't real. May they are more than I say. 5. If you do any work, there aren't a boss, manager, and creator of project to check you every 5 minutes. 6. You can do orders both night, morning, and evening because you choose your own work time. You decide because you are both boss and project manager. 7. You don't have to wear same dresses every day. With 1 cup of tea and pajamas, you can do them. 8. If you are bored, then you can rest. For example, it's middle of the month and you've got money as you need, then you can play video games, can travel to the end of the month. It is possible. 9. You have to finish your work at the office. This work can that you don't like it, but what we can do. While working as a freelancer, then you can deny any project that you don't love, like. No one will say anything to you about it because you make your own rules. 10. It is not important for client that when you take order, how you'll work, where you'll work, what time you'll work. The important for client is quality and finish on time. If you setting them, then it means you live. 11. Devoting time to personal life is a hard thing, but unfortunately you can't do it while you're working at the office. So your friends call you, you make them to meet you weekend. If you are married, your child wants to go to the park and you keep it to weekend too. There is a film that you love. You'll watch it weekend. You have to change something in cooking room. Keep it to weekend. Your parents will visit you. Tell them to come weekend. So Sunday has come and you can't do any of them. But while being freelancer, you can do all of them anytime because you make your own rules here. 12. While you are at the office, you think that you work 8 hours for your wages. Yes, you work 8 hours. But you wake up at 7 a.m., preparing 1 hour, and you lose 40 minutes in traffic for this job. Then you reach the office. After working 8 hours, you lose your 40 minutes again in traffic to get home. You are getting sleepy while watching your film and eating food. It is still 10 p.m. Do you know what is the point of doing this? You try to sleep early night because you don't want to feel weak, tired yourself at 7 a.m. So when we think that we sell our 8 hours, actually we sell our all time to the offices. Do you have something to add to this list? If you have, then write it as a comment.